Hey everybody, y'all welcome back to the Roadhouse Camp. Today we're cooking inside. The weather's kind of nasty outside. Y'all might could hear the thunder, rain coming through. So we're gonna cook in the big Dutch oven, the big my new big blue pot, ceramic coated cast iron. We're gonna be doing a beef pot roast with onions, potatoes, carrots, a little beef gravy au jus, a little French onion soup mix. So y'all stick around, I'll show you what we're working with. Alright y'all, we got our chuck roast, got our carrots, green beans. I couldn't find any dry ranch, so I opted for the ranch salad dressing, brown gravy mix, French onion mix, and liquid. We're going to do the beef broth and one onion. So let me get all this stuff prepared, chopped up. I'll see y'all here in a minute. This is our chuck roast. We're gonna just hit that with salt and pepper. Peppercorn. There you go, baby. Get this pot up to temp. I'll be back for the sizzle. There it is, folks. Got that bad boy on high. Listen to that sizzle. Oh yeah, baby. We're gonna brown all four sides, and then we're gonna make our au jus. Let this beef roast go for a little while, and we'll add vegetables later on. So we'll be back. Ooh, listen to that sizzle, y'all. Got it brown down. Oh yeah, baby. Look at that color on that. Yes, indeed. And I got 2 packets of the beef gravy, 2 cups of water. We're going to put it in there like that. That junk out of here. And clean the mess up, moonshine. Alright. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Get in there, get you a bath. Get you a hot sauna bath with that gravy, baby. That's right. Turn this down a little bit. Going in with the French onion soup mix. Let it stay on top dry like that. That'd be alright. And we're going to bust open some of this beef stock, because that gravy getting a little thick already. And we're going to let this roast. You know what I mean? Alright. One whole container. There you go, baby. There you go. And never done this before, but we're about to do it now. We're gonna put some liquid ranch in there and let that meat absorb all that good flavor. Okay, Couldn't find the dry ranch. We're going about a half a bottle. I'm going to stir off. Well, you know what? Yeah, half a bottle's good. One more. Alright. And we'll let all that cook down. We'll let this go. We'll come check on this in probably about an hour. We're gonna let it rip, Tater Chip. Let's see on a little bit. This roast has been going for, oh shoot, probably about 3 hours. And man, y'all check this out. Look, falling apart. Can y'all see that? I don't do much cooking inside, but man, when I do, alright. So we're gonna add green beans, carrots, and onions to this. And potatoes, because the meat is done. Oh my goodness gracious. Get down in there and get all happy, y'all. Look at that meat falling apart, y'all. Look, hanging out, man. Hell yeah. Alright, so we're gonna get this going. Let this go for probably at least another hour. Get them taters and all that done. Then we'll taste and season as needed. Then I'll make some rice when it's time. Alright, man, the roast is coming along nicely. Well, it's been about 3-4 hours. Ooh, Lord, that must smell good in my house, y'all. I'll put it down low, everything's done. One cup of rice, 2 cups of water. Bring the water to a boil. We're going to throw the rice in there and let it rock and roll. So we'll be back. Rice is done, roast is done. It's been sitting for at least 30 minutes. Whoo, it's still hot. Alright. Fluff that rice up a little bit. Look at that meat, y'all. Look, falling apart. Good old healthy scoop of rice. Oh yeah. All right. A little bit of Louisiana hot sauce going on there. Let it cool off a minute. Cause it's still hot as a firecracker, y'all. Alright, put this here. Cap this back off. Let it cool off, we'll be back. Oh my goodness, y'all, that meat is so good. One more time. Tater. Carrot. Onion, green bean, a little meat. Dang, y'all, one more time. Full belly. I know it's sleeping good tonight. Anyway, thank y'all for stopping by and joining me. Next weekend we'll do something a little different, I guess. But y'all have a good one. We'll see you next time.